This classic gem sparkles. Over $50,000 in renovations were completed last year, and the presentation is spot on. Upstairs features all new flooring, furnishings, appliances, kitchen cabinets, drywall, and paint. Top level includes kitchen/living/dining area with water views, 1 bedroom with ensuite half bath, 3 additional bedrooms, and hall bath. Step from the living area to the dune-top deck for ocean views and breezes. Outer Banks Fishing Pier is just 2 lots away, home to Fish Head's Bar and Grill. Ground level has separate quarters with 2 additional bedrooms, bath and comfortable sitting room with mini fridge. Carport has room for 2 vehicles plus a hot tub and outdoor shower. Modest association fees pay for parking lot and boardwalk upkeep. The boardwalk to beach was just replaced this year, and dune-side bulkheading has been reinforced at the substantial dune with thick vegetation. This is part of a land condominium with 6 separate residences. Each owner holds 1/6 interest in the land and 100% ownership in the cottage itself.